Everybody, welcome to the channel. I have been away from the garden for a while. As you all can see, I'm in the car. And upon my return, I have found that nobody loves my garden the way I love my garden. And even though you leave someone in charge to help you out while you're away, things happen. So I'm in the garden today, just doing a little bit of cleanup and some harvesting, and I wanted to bring you guys along for the harvesting portion. So let's get to the house and let's go in the garden. I hope you guys enjoyed that nice, calming relaxing harvest. I enjoyed bringing it to you. I hope you come back for the next episode. If you have not subscribed, why not? Come along for the ride. Join ClausenWorld. We do a lot of stuff over here. So until the next video, bye for now.